Okay guys, we back again. We got the packages from toko but Chonghua toko package. Okay, it's medical packages. Let's we check this out. Okay, this is an unboxing video. You can see in here we can open the packages easily. Not that easy. They stick. Oops, very hot. Okay, it's empty. This is the packages. We'll try to open this without breaking. Oh, come on. This is the key. This is the key level. Sip. That's the key level. Oh, this is using 2 layers. Very safety, thank you. Medical store, you good. Packaging. This is it. Tieh Ta Yao Gin. Imported by Sina Herbaredics, Jakarta, Indonesia. This is has a function to lighten blood stuck and body who hurts because of you fall. This is a Chinese. Wait a minute, let me you can see here a Chinese watch. Oh, this is a message from the medical store. Oh yes, thank you admin. Let's open this. This is the packages. Oh, this is the ingredients. Can you see? Oh my god, it's like a tonic. Okay, we can find the manual book. Turn the lights on again. This is it. Super concentrated Tieh Ta Yao Gin. Enjoy popularity of 100 years since it came. Okay, this is a herbal medicine. Treatment hemorrhoids, inflammation, swelling, infections. Okay, it combined with cool boiled water. Cool boiled water. Okay, 3-4 times daily. It's good treatment. Okay, good. Spoils to your cloth, use alcohol to remove that. Okay, this is a manual book. This is the things. Oh, they call this prescriptions. Okay. Kulin brand. Helps. This is expired that. Manufactured at Guangdong, Yilin, Yulin, Primus, Ltd. Tieh Ta Yao Gin. Okay. Open this. Oh, like that. Oh, like a betadine. When you smell it, like a gin, like a what's that? Chinese herbal. Herbaretics, yes. Yeah, like that. Okay, this is it. The packages. Tieh Ta Yao Gin. Thank you for watching.